back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job leads video for you. In today's video, I have 9 different companies and job leads. Some are very big companies that are hiring remote work from home right now. Most of them don't require any kind of college degree, and pay, of course, is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $27 an hour, with most of these jobs having the pay between $20 and $27 an hour. Now, I have been trying to mix up these videos a little bit and do some shorter videos and longer videos for you. Mix it up, trying to bring as many work from home job leads to you that I can on a daily basis. But if you're new here, this channel is all about working from home. I share multiple videos a day, at least Monday through Friday, trying to find the best work from home jobs on the internet and bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, the links to all the pages that I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video, so you can go research these companies and put that application in. But with that being said, today's first job lead is from AMC, the AMC Theaters. They are hiring an analyst for their service desk. This is remote, eligible for the United States. So this is going to be like a tech support job. As an analyst, you're going to help keep all that technology working from the electronic marquee outside of their ticket sales and concessions inside. So all of those computers that they have working in their theaters, technical issues do pop up, and so they need a way for their employees to call and get that technical help, get those systems back up and running so they can serve all the customers that's actually inside the theater. So you'll begin each day by remotely logging into the system and preparing to receive inbound tech support calls. You'll provide solutions based on your own technical expertise, your knowledge of the AMC systems. If you're unable to help in one call, you may have to elevate the issue to another department. When you are not taking inbound calls, you may be checking in with previous callers, following up on issues that were elevated or problems that weren't fully resolved on the phone call to confirm if a solution has been found and the ticket can be closed. At the end of your shift, you'll do a formal wrap-up and hands-off is required. That way, if you're working on any issues, you hand them off to the next person for the next shift so they can finish up and make sure that issue gets resolved. You'll log completely out of the system and you'll be finished until your next day's shift. Now, as far as what they're looking for, the minimum requirement is only 2 months of experience in some kind of customer service role and someone who has great oral and written communication skills. Now, above that, if you know basic fixes and terminology for tech support, that is even better. They are looking for somebody who can work at least 1 weekend shift a week because their service desk is open 20 hours a day, 7 days a week. And of course, pay for this position is anywhere from $19 an hour to $20 an hour. Next up, we have Lifetime Brands. Lifetime Brands is a company that owns many different other companies like KitchenAid, Faberware, Mikasa, all of your home goods and home products. They only have 161 reviews on Glassdoor as the parent company. All of the other individual brands that they own probably have their own review pages, but they have a 3.1 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. They are hiring a seasonal customer service representative. Now, when you first come to this brand, it should be the very first one that pops up. You're going to have to click that first link to get the big job description. But again, they own some huge brands such as Mikasa, KitchenAid, Faberware, all of your home goods. They're looking for a team member to help people every day by taking calls, responding to emails, and actively listening and understand the customer's needs and answering all of their questions. You're going to respond to customer queries about different things like orders, shipments, and products from a variety of brands. You're going to be a part of the team promoting a positive brand image. Now, I do just want to ask, because this says it is a seasonal customer service job, if any of you are interested in customer service, please let me know down in the comments below, because the biggest thing is we are getting ready to go into August. So in about a month or 4 to 6 weeks, when we start getting into that September and October time frame, a lot of companies are going to start hiring for customer service and different seasonal positions, gearing up for the holiday season ahead. So you can get hired and trained before that November, December rush. So let me know if you're interested in those seasonal type customer service jobs in the comments. But as far as what they're looking for this job, somebody who has great communication skills, someone who is familiar with online shopping, shipping, and return processes, someone who can be a critical thinker and a problem solver with great attention to detail. Now, they do say call center experience is a plus, but that is not required. You do have to have your own computer set up, a Windows-based PC. Macs will not work for this job. Pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $19 an hour. Moving right along, we have the home security system company, ADT, hiring a remote existing customer retention coordinator. So a little bit about what retention people do. When you're an existing customer and you've been paying for a membership or subscription, like if you've been with your internet company provider or something for a long time, and then you call to cancel your services because you're thinking about leaving and going somewhere else, that is what the customer retention's job is. It's to find some way to keep the customer happy and keep them loyal and staying with the company and not leaving. So it does say this role is an entry-level position within their retention organization. You're going to be responsible for answering incoming calls, identifying the reasons for the call through discovery. You may also require some scheduling or rescheduling of sales appointments, service calls, or different install calls. So you'll answer incoming calls from customers or ADT employees. You'll identify the reason for the call, determine the proper solution for the customer, making recommendations and overcoming objections and obstacles for the customer. If you do need to transfer the call to a different department, you will do that. And again, you'll help schedule or reschedule any appointments so a technician can come out to their house. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is actually required, although all companies always prefer it. Someone who is great with customer service and who is great with problem solving, and you can work on a computer. Now, unfortunately, ADT did not list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, we have RiteAid hiring a customer care representative. Now, RiteAid has different things, but they are a pharmacy company, so they do hire under the Elixir Pharmacy brand. This is remote for the United States. But basically, as a customer care representative, you'll be knowledgeable and courteous, giving resolution and responses for their pharmacy for member and product related inquiries. So you'll answer and respond to calls, emails, and chat. You'll also have to make outbound calls from time to time as necessary. You'll make sure that you talk to whether it's members, providers, pharmacies, or employer groups, researching all required information, using your available resources, routing calls when appropriate, and of course, you're going to, in the computer system, document all call information according to their standard operating procedures. You'll be entering the data accurately according to their procedures, utilizing multiple applications at one time. So you're basically just going to be answering pharmacy calls and getting them the information they need, entering data into the computer system, and documenting anything you've done. Now, again, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, and they want somebody who has customer service or call center experience. Again, I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online, trying to help you find the best work from home jobs. So I don't have any additional information outside of these job postings. And again, RiteAid did not list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Our next company is called Connection. Now, Connection is like an IT type company that provides IT help desk solutions to other companies that contract with them. They do have 698 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a help desk agent. This is remote for the United States. It does say this is remote anywhere in the U.S., but they are basically looking for somebody to help them provide tech support. You'll be troubleshooting general Windows 7 through 10 issues, so they do want you to have at least 1 to 2 years of previous help desk experience. You need to be able to troubleshoot network connections, printers, or shared permissions and devices. Again, troubleshooting email issues, specifically with Microsoft Outlook and the new Outlook 365 with their Microsoft Office 365. Be able to troubleshoot a variety of hardware, software, and network issues. And if you are bilingual in Spanish, that'll get you to the top of the line, but that is not required for this job. So just all around tech support. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. And pay for this position is anywhere from $21.63 an hour all the way up to $27.04 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. Moving right along, we have the company Order. Now, Order looks like a startup company. They only have 57 reviews on Glassdoor, but they do have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer support specialist. This is full-time remote for the United States. Now, Order.co is a guided business-to-business marketplace with the mission to simplify the buying process for businesses. They make it easy for businesses to place and track purchases across all of their different vendors. They're seeking a highly motivated customer support specialist for the primary responsibility to deliver high-quality customer support by triaging issues and resolving problems in a timely manner. You'll take ownership of those customer concerns and see them through until a satisfactory resolution has been agreed upon. So you're going to provide prompt and professional customer service through a variety of different measures. This may include phone calls, emails, or online chats. You'll help troubleshoot and problem solve any issues they have, offering guidance for products, product usage, escalating complex issues, things like that. Solve all of their shipping issues, just all around customer service. Of course, you're going to document and track those customer interactions you have, keeping the record keeping of all the conversations and all the follow-up that you did. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree, just somebody who has strong communication skills, strong problem-solving skills, and can be customer focused. You do have to be able to multitask and manage your time wisely while paying attention to details and being a team player. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision benefits, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you're still with me, I just want to ask that you give this video a thumbs up, a like button. That does give me direct feedback that you do enjoy job lead videos like this, and this is being helpful to someone. But moving right along, the big health insurance company Cigna is hiring a customer service representative. This is virtual remote for the United States only. But they're basically looking for somebody to handle and verify patient records under HIPAA and PHI, or protected health information, with secure and confidential on each phone call. You'll be accepting multiple back-to-back calls, utilizing various applications and multiple screens to properly enter all the patient, provider, and imaging center data. So this is going to be a call center job. You'll follow the complete formal script pathway with each caller, identifying and transferring any calls that cannot be resolved through their formal script. So they're not going to leave you completely blind. You are giving scripts or things to say and follow process processes to follow. They are going to give you an 8-week training, which is going to include live call participation training. So they're going to get you set up and give you all the information that you need. You're not going into this blindly. They have 8 weeks of paid training. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has a previous customer service experience, but that is not even required. You do need to know how to use a computer system, including how to use those basic computer programs like Microsoft Office systems like Outlook, Word, Excel, those types of things. You do need to be somebody who can take accountability and ownership for your own actions and be a problem solver. They want somebody who can be coachable and teachable. Now, the hourly rate for this position is anywhere from $17 to $18 an hour. Moving right along, we have the company Health Advocate. Health Advocate has 296 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an evening customer care associate. Now, this is full-time, again, remote for the United States. So this is going to be customer service in the healthcare field. They're looking for somebody to provide guidance, directions, and support for their valued members trying to navigate the healthcare system. So you'll basically answer a variety of incoming calls from members regarding their healthcare questions and other inquiries the members have. You'll help build loyalty and rapport with the callers using a friendly and courteous professional manner. You'll verify and collect demographics such as their name, date of birth, address, things like that, and update their information in the system as necessary, determining and executing the best resolution to assist the member based on their needs and request. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer an associate's degree, but not required. They want somebody who has customer service experience, great communication skills, and can be a problem solver. Now, they are paying a straight $16 an hour for this position, and they're looking for somebody who can be flexible in the hours they work, working their 8-hour shift anywhere between 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you will have to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. And I know I can get long-winded sometimes, but we have finally made it to the 9th work from home job lead that is currently hiring right now. That is the company Intoxalock. Now, Intoxalock has 118 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a compliance quality specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, Intoxalock helps make and deal with those little blow boxes for people who've gotten DUIs or anything that are installed on cars where the car won't start unless you blow in the box and you have no alcohol on your breath, and then it allows the car to start. It will not let the car start if you have alcohol on your breath. So they are specifically looking for a compliance quality specialist to make sure their processes are completed and the completed installation process is followed. Removal processes and vehicle switch processes are also followed. So basically, you're going to professionally handle and direct all phone interactions in a timely and courteous manner. You're going to respond to emails, chats, and texts as well. You'll assist with updating reports, data entry, and any required documentation. You'll contact the service centers to accurately confirm customer appointment completion, so the customer did have their appointment or schedule it, and any equipment returns that need to be done. You'll escalate any issues with existing processes up to your leadership, assisting in resolving any equipment issues associated with equipment assignment or removal from the customer's accounts and the customer's vehicles. So you may have to assign a technician out to install, uninstall, things like that. Now, of course, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of experience in general office or some kind of administration, great communication skills, and the ability to be a multitasker. Now, this position pays anywhere from $16 to $18 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Also, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads leads just for you.